Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Regardless of where the blame lies, if you've been involved in a workplace accident, it's important that you follow the correct steps in order to ensure not only your safety, but also the safety of others. Today, I'm going to be looking at the question of whether or not we should report an accident in the workplace. Whether you work on a building site or in an office, if you're involved in an accident at work, your employer must ensure that it's logged in the accident report book. This book is often managed by HR or a head of department. The accident report book is a record of all accidents that have occurred within the workplace. This in turn helps manage workplace health and safety. Should you decide to bring a claim for compensation following an accident in the workplace, this written record is going to be a vital piece of evidence in helping decide whether or not a third party was to blame for your accident. So, should you or a work colleague be involved in a workplace accident, it's important that it's logged as close to the time as the accident as possible. If an accident is not reported and logged in the accident report book, the likelihood of your claim for compensation being successful goes down considerably. Accident report books are also useful in helping the courts decide whether or not your claim is a genuine one. For example, if you claim to have been injured due to being involved in a workplace accident, but there is no log of the accident, no witnesses, and no supporting medical records, then you may not be successful in your claim. There are times when an accident isn't logged in the workplace accident book. This could be due to those in charge having to prioritise the safety of staff and the report got brushed aside and then forgotten about. Or it could be that it wasn't logged on purpose in order to attempt to deny liability. Whilst yes, it may be harder to prove that you were involved in an accident at work without it being logged in the accident report book, it doesn't mean that you won't be successful in your claim. And should you be able to provide other compelling evidence such as CCTV or witness statements, then a lack of an accident report should not affect the amount of compensation that you're entitled to. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same. And whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Don't forget to subscribe as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.